Scene script. Have you ever wondered how everything that exists, the stars, galaxies, and even life itself, came into being? This is a question that has stirred the curiosity of humanity for ages. The answer, as proposed by cosmologists, lies in a theory widely accepted in scientific circles, the Big Bang theory. But let's clear a common misconception first. The term Big Bang might evoke an image of a colossal explosion, a detonation that gave birth to everything we observe in our universe. However, the reality is far more fascinating and mind-boggling. The Big Bang was not an explosion in the usual sense. It didn't happen at a particular spot in space, hurling matter outward. Instead, the Big Bang was an expansion of space itself. Rather than picturing a firecracker detonating, imagine a balloon inflating. The surface of the balloon represents our universe. As the balloon inflates, it expands in all directions equally. There's no center, no single point where it all started. Every point is moving away from every other point, just like galaxies in our universe. This expansion is not just limited to the large scales of galaxies and clusters. It's happening at every scale, even within the confines of your own room. It's just that its effects are too tiny to notice in our daily lives and can only be detected over vast cosmic distances. So, if the Big Bang wasn't an explosion and there's no center of the universe, what was it? This is where things get even more intriguing. Cosmologists believe that everything, all the matter, energy, space, and even time itself, started from a state of unimaginable density and temperature, a single point called the singularity. The singularity is an enigma, a point at which our understanding of physics breaks down. It's a concept that pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and challenges our perception of reality. To understand the origins of the universe, we must first comprehend the concept of the Big Bang Singularity. And that's where our journey into the enigmatic beginning of the universe takes us next. The term Big Bang Singularity might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it is a real concept that scientists use to explain the universe's birth. Imagine everything you know, everything you don't know, and everything you can't even begin to comprehend, all compressed into a point of infinitesimal size. This, my friends, is the Big Bang Singularity, a point where all the matter, energy, space, and even time itself originated. A point so incredibly dense and hot it's beyond our human understanding. But here's the real kicker. At this singularity, the laws of physics as we know them cease to function. Picture this. You're an explorer on a ship, sailing across the ocean of the cosmos. Suddenly your compass starts spinning wildly, your maps turn to gibberish. That's what it's like when the laws of physics stop working. It's not just that we don't know the rules anymore, it's like there are no rules at all. So how do we even begin to decipher this cosmic enigma? Well, that's where quantum physics comes in. Quantum physics is the branch of science that deals with the smallest particles in the universe. It's a bit like the rule book for the universe on a microscopic level. And scientists hope that by understanding quantum physics, we might get a glimpse into the singularity, a peek behind the cosmic curtain. But the Big Bang Singularity isn't just about understanding where we came from, it's about understanding who we are and where we're going. It's about the big questions, the ones that keep us up at night staring at the stars. It's about our place in the cosmos, our tiny, insignificant, yet infinitely precious place in the grand cosmic scheme. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. Every single star, every single galaxy, every single atom in your body, it all started at one point, the Big Bang Singularity, a point of infinite density and unimaginable heat, is the cosmic cradle from which the universe was born. From a point of infinite density, our universe expanded and continues to expand. But what triggered this expansion? In the grand cosmic story, a key player that doesn't often get the limelight is the cosmological constant, or as it's more commonly known, dark energy. This mysterious force is believed to be the driver behind our universe's relentless expansion. When we say the cosmological constant, we're talking about a value that Albert Einstein initially introduced into his equations of general relativity. He did this to balance out the gravitational pull and keep the universe static. But when it was discovered that the universe was, in fact, expanding, Einstein discarded this as his greatest blunder. Ironically, this cosmological constant has made a comeback in modern cosmology as dark energy, the unseen force pushing galaxies apart. Now let's bring this down to a more tangible reality. Picture a balloon inflating, representing our expanding universe. The cosmological constant is like the air pressure inside, constantly pushing the balloon's boundaries outward. As for the universe's structure, it's not as straightforward as one might think. Galaxies, stars, planets, and all matter that we can see make up less than 5% of the universe. The rest? Dark energy and dark matter. These elusive entities shape the universe in ways we're still trying to comprehend. So what does the future hold for our universe, based on the Big Bang Singularity theory? Well, if dark energy continues to drive expansion at an accelerating rate, we may be heading towards a big rip. In this scenario, galaxies, stars, and eventually, all matter could be torn apart by the ever-increasing expansion of space. But before you start worrying about the end of everything, remember that this is just one theory. The universe has been full of surprises from the very start and will likely continue to be. Our current understanding of the universe, its structure, and its future all trace back to that singular point, the Big Bang Singularity. Our journey through the cosmos, though brief, has been enlightening. We've delved into the mysterious origins of the universe, exploring the concept of the Big Bang, a monumental explosion that created everything we know and don't know. We've examined the singularity, the point of infinite density from which the universe sprang into existence, a point so small yet so potent, it's almost beyond human comprehension. We've also journeyed through the universe's expansive timeline, from its fiery birth to its current state, and even pondered on its infinite future. We've seen how this vast cosmic expanse has grown from a singularity to the infinite cosmos we're a tiny part of today. The Big Bang Singularity, an enigma at the heart of cosmology, remains a beacon of intrigue. It's the starting point of our universe, a riddle wrapped within the cosmic fabric. It continues to fuel our quest for understanding the universe and our place in it.
Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.